Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, when you connect your USB cable, you are seeing unknown USB device error, device descriptor request failed. Then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to click on the start menu, then type here device manager. You can see a device manager, click on this. Here you can see in last universal serial bus controller. You have to double click and expand. Here you will find that error for which device you are facing. Suppose you don't know that, I will show you simple method to which is that error you are facing. Here you will find one yellow icon, means that is the driver problem of that device. So what you have to do, just right click on that, click on properties, click on details. Here you can see property, click on that, then select device instance path. Here you will find the path, right click on that, then click on copy, then click on OK, then close this window. Now you have to open regedit, click on start menu again, then type here regedit, click on this register editor, click on yes. In this you can see HK local machine, double click and expand. After that expand the system. After that current control set, double click and expand. In this you will find enum, click on this enum, come to the top of this path, type the backslash, then paste what you have copied recently, then hit enter. Here in left side you will find device parameter, click on this, come to the right side on the empty space, click on new, select dword 32-bit value, then rename it as enhanced power management enable. Type this, then you don't need to change the value, just keep it as same as it is, then click on OK, then close this window, unplug your USB cable. After unplugging you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, then connect your USB cable again, then check, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.